In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and click on Alarm section at the top left corner. Then tap on those three dots at the top right one and tap on Settings. Now adjust all of them however you wish to, and when you're ready, go back. Then to create your alarm, select this button at the bottom. Now set tap an hour. If you wish to use this alarm only once, you can enable the late after goes off option by tapping on this switcher. If you want to turn it off, click on the same one. If you want for your alarm to repeat, select Repeat option under Ringtone and tap on the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you click on custom, you can select days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Now click on Ringtone. You can tap on Choose pre-installed ringtones and tap on Apply next to the best one for you. In order to set it up, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on Ringtone, select local one instead, tap on Allow, pick one of those sources, and then click on the song that you wish to apply. Save it by hitting OK at the top right corner. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to manage vibrations, and click on Label to label your alarm however you wish to. Hit OK, and to save your new alarm, select this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely thanks to this switcher next to it, and selecting one of those options, and turn it back on by tapping on the same, now grey one. Lastly, to delete your alarm, just hold it and click on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!